An-Nur, the light. Because it shows you the hidden realities of this universe, to which, I referred in my last evening lecture, the philosophical quest in man. Who am I? What is this universe? What's the beginning or the end of this universe? What's the creation? Who am I? Wherefrom have I come? Born from the blue? And is death the end of my life or existence? Where do I go? Where do I go after death? Is that the end? What is good? What is evil? What is knowledge? All these are philosophical questions which have been haunting the minds of people, intelligent people. So actually, these are the hidden realities. They will never be explored by physical sciences. This is ghaib. That is why this word appears in the very beginning in the Quran. Alif Lam Mim, ذَلِكَ الْكِتَابُ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ هُدًى لِلْمُتَّقِينَ الَّذِينَ يُؤْمِنُونَ بِالْغَيْبِ. And let me quote here a saying of Confucius, the Chinese saint or sage or philosopher, whatsoever you may call him. He says in a very beautiful sentence, there's nothing more real than what cannot be seen. And that is nothing more, there is nothing more certain than what cannot be heard. This is the apparent world. But the reality lies beyond the scope of your senses and sense organs. This is the ghaib. Now as we need light to see the facts of this world, material world, even if our eyes are okay, we can't see without light. In the same way, to be able to see and comprehend the hidden realities of this universe, you need an inner light, and that inner light is Quran. An-Nur.